You want to buy a home, but you don't want to overpay. Well, guess what? There are plenty of great ways you can craft the perfect winning offer and win against the competition. You see, most of the time when we're thinking about buying homes, we focus on the purchase price, and obviously sellers want the most amount of money that you're willing to pay for a home, which of course is going to play a huge role in your offer's acceptance. But the reality is that's not all that matters. Here's a great tip for you. I want you to think about the terms of your offer. 1, are you going to hold inspections? If so, how long do you need for those inspections? Will you ask for repairs? Are you getting an appraisal? If so, how soon can the appraisal be ordered? Are you financing your home or are you paying cash? Does the seller need to rent back so they can find their new home? Does the lender want to close in 2 months, 30 days, 2 weeks? You get the point, right? Find out what the seller cares about the most, and when you figure out what the seller wants, craft your offer to fit those terms. Sometimes you don't have to spend more money to get the house you want. Sometimes you just need to be a little creative, craft the other parts of your offer that make it more desirable than the competing offers they've received. If you have any questions about this, give me a call. I'll help you.